Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is entry number 13 into my giveaway, and this is from A. Marshall. And I just pulled everything out and I started to read the card and I realized she had her address in there, so I had to restart. So we're gonna try this again. So here is the card and it is so beautiful. So I'm not going to show you the inside. So like I said, it is so very beautiful. And it's from Andrea Marshall. So let me read it to you. So it says, "Hi Gigi, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your memory dex card and goodies from me, Andrea Marshall." Her birthday is 4/28. Her Instagram is crafting a country life. Okay, and I'll put that information down in the description box. And then she sent me some goodies. So we'll open those up. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so she tied this up in a pretty bow. Let's get it opened. Right. Ooh, there's some pretty sequins I can use in the bottom. They're little florals. Look at that. Thank you for those. I can use this in a shaker. Oh, this is so cute. Look, she has butterflies on the ends of it. I've never thought about doing that before. That is such a good idea. Ah, you've inspired me. That is cute. Okay, let's see if I can get them apart. That is such a good idea. Sandwiching two together. You got these. Oh, okay, that's it. Okay, so that's together. Oh, it's a cute little notebook. Thank you. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. It's a little notebook, guys. There's more sequins in there. Yay. Thank you. And it says beautiful. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. I love how she did the butterflies on the ends of the twine. Can't think of what it was called. Isn't that a good idea, guys? Very cool. Oh my goodness, I love these. This will go so good with carousel paper. I don't know if I have these yet. Oh, these are so cute. And look how she did the bag topper. Oh, this is so cute, this flower. Oh my gosh, what dye is that? And then it says sweet. Oh, these are so cute. Do y'all see these, guys? Oh my gosh, they're so stinking cute. Thank you. Okay, let's open her memory dex card. I'm so excited to see it. She has it wrapped in this beautiful like yarn. Oh, it's soft and it's so pretty. And it has like little sequins going through it. Oh, I'm gonna reuse this. That is so pretty. Thank you. And she has washi tape on it. Let's see, how do I get it open? I'm trying, guys. Okay. Let's make sure I don't show her info. Okay, am I gonna have to rip it? I don't know. Oh, here we go. Getting the washi off. Stick that right there. Oh, it's in another bag. Isn't that cute? That bird is adorable. I think that's also from Maggie. And this one I might have to... yeah, I just ripped. I wonder if I can salvage the bird. I'm not showing you because I don't want y'all to see the address. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. Look, guys. She did this little dangle over here on the side, and it says happy with this safety pin. Has a star and a dangle on it. This is cute. And it says, this is my happy place. Oh my gosh. She used some buttons, some flowers, some gems, a rickrack, a bow up here that is super cute, and some buttons. She used some ephemera, some more flowers down here, some flowers here, some more ephemera. She used lace. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, hun. Oh my gosh. Okay, so her YouTube channel is Crafting a Country Life, as well as her Instagram, Crafting a Country Life. And her name's Andrea Marshall. Oh my gosh, I love this, hun. Beautiful. And thank you for the goodies. I love them, and your card is gorgeous. And here were my extras, guys. So sweet of you. Thank you, Andrea. I love everything, hun. Thank you for entering. Guys, keep entering. There's still time. I extended it. Okay, love you guys. And added a prize. Okay, bye.